Okay, good morning everyone. So today I'll be doing a short introduction video because I'm not around. So basically, welcome back to school. This is the first lesson for your Sec 3 chemistry. Okay, so my name here is Mr. Tan. Okay, my full name is actually Mr. Tan Zibing. So I'm actually contactable through Teams. Okay, I have already set up the MS Teams. Okay, alright. Okay, so just like you have a look, so ours is under here, 20243NA Alba Chemistry. Okay, so you can look under general since I already text you last night. Alright, so today you'll click on this link for the schedule. Alright, okay, so just some things that I share. Okay, so I used to teach in a mainstream school, Anderson Secondary School, also in Ang Mo Kio. So my hobbies include traveling. Okay, I like to travel to different places, but this time around it's not possible during the December holiday because I have a kid. So I'm actually a father to a 8-month-old boy. Alright, okay, so this one look like me. Okay, so I like to Netflix and watch show soccer and enjoy a lot of jokes lah. So I hope my jokes don't offend you or you don't find my jokes too lame. So the schedule for today, okay, so alright, okay, so this is our, okay, this is not the schedule. I already shown you a schedule for today. Okay, so basically these are all the people in our class. Got 9 of you all. Okay, you are in Alba. Okay, so either you are taking 5105 or 5107. Okay, 5105 is for those who are taking physics and chemistry. If you are 5107 for those taking bio and chemistry. Right. Okay, so this is the sitting plan. So whenever you come to a lab, you follow this chemistry lab sitting plan. Okay, I might adjust it. Okay, might adjust. Okay, for now we will use this. Alright, might adjust along the way. Okay, I see how you are in this sitting arrangement and see whether I need to do any changes. Alright, might adjust along the way. Alright, okay. So, okay, let's take a look. Okay, so as an introduction today, okay, so basically what you're taking is just half a subject. So combined science chemistry, just 50% of your science subject. Alright, the other half of course is your physics or bio. So we are having 2 times 1 hour lesson per week. First lesson of course is today, Thursday 11:30 to 12:30 at Chem Lab 2. Second lesson will be on Friday 11 to 12 in Mayflower Secondary School, a satellite classroom. Alright, okay, so largely we are doing theory lessons. Okay, there will be some practicals, maybe not a lot, at most 4 or 5, because practical is actually not tested in your N levels. However, so you'll sit for your N level of course next year 2025, of course when you clear your Sec 3. Okay, so unless you are going for Sec 5 O level, okay, unless Sec 5 O level, that's where actually you have practical exam. Okay, so Sec 5, if you choose to come back next time after your N levels, if highly advisable not to, because the jump from N level to O level can be quite big. If you choose to come back for Sec 5 O level next time, there will be a practical exam. Alright, okay, because after N levels, some of y'all might go for Poly Foundation program, some of y'all might go for DPP Direct Poly program, or some of y'all might go ITE. Alright, so these are some of the things you start considering this year actually. Alright, okay, So if you come back for Sec 5 O levels, there will be practical exam. Okay, so in Sec 5 actually you do a lot more experiments compared to Sec 3 and Sec 4. Okay, so the term checkpoint, I'm intending for it to be in week 8 or week 9, haven't decided. Okay, but this one negotiable lah in terms of the date, because sometimes you all got a lot of tests in the week. So I will confirm again. So this one to be confirmed. Right, to be confirmed lah. This one, okay. So the format is 10 MCQ, structured question 10 marks, free response 10 marks. Right. Again, then it's a 45 minutes test because our lesson is only 1 hour. Okay, very unlikely I can do a 1 hour test. Okay. So in terms of exam, okay, this time round there's a subject code for all your subjects. Okay, so for physics chem is 5105, for chemistry bio is 5107. Okay, so if you are doing physics chem, you will be taking paper 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 2 is actually the physics component. 3 to 4 is actually the chemistry component. Alright, so all in one sitting, all the physics one and then the chemistry one all in one sitting. Okay, so that means you sit for paper 1 and 2 on the same day. Alright, and then paper 3 and 4 also on another day lah. Okay, it won't be together. Alright, so MCQ is 20 marks, 20 question, 20%. Likewise for the chemistry one, 20 marks, 20%. Okay, so structured question is 30 marks, 30%. Okay, so in terms of the structured question, section A is 22 marks, section the last question will be 8 marks. Okay, section B is 8 marks, 2 choose 1. Don't do both. You should be familiar. You already practiced this 2 choose 1 format last year. Right, okay, so if you are biochem, then paper 3 and 4 is your chemistry component. 5 and 6 is actually your biology. So we will practice this format in exams. Okay, the end of your exam for this year, as well as your prelims and N levels next year. Okay, alright, okay, so in terms of lesson materials and resources, basically this year you are using this textbook, but actually most of the time I will use my notes and worksheets. So this one actually no need to bring. Okay, yeah, alright, so for tomorrow lesson, basically you no need to bring lah. Okay, I will tell you which chapters I'm doing in the textbook, but I don't go accordingly lah. Chapter 1 to 3 I don't. Okay, so my first chapter is actually chapter 2. Alright, okay, then along the way, I think nearer to the end of January we will buy this. This is your 10-year series. Okay, what does the 10-year series contains is past year N levels questions. Okay, past year N level questions. So the materials I will be using slides, Kahoot, Padlet just sometimes. Okay, not as often as last year. Okay, sometimes only. Okay, actually in fact quite seldom lah. Okay, maybe just as the start of the chapter. Okay, so I have worksheets with this box. Okay, you'll notice usually I got worksheet with this numbered box. Okay, more for filing purposes. Okay, MS Team and class notebook. Maybe I show you a sample. Okay, so for example, my first piece of worksheet, this box down here. Number 1 is actually item number 1 on the content page. Alright, then I'll update content page number 1, kinetic particle theory lah. Alright, content page on the right here, number 1, kinetic particle theory. Okay, like then I'll write tomorrow's date lah, because you're starting tomorrow, 12 Jan 24. Okay, then I write notes. Okay, so we update together. So So I will give you a chapter folder lah, just like what we have practiced last time. Okay. Then we'll be using a yellow chemistry file. Okay, this one you need to pay one, the 10-year series. Okay, what to bring for every lesson? Sorry, this is wrong. You bring your yellow chemistry file. Okay, of course with the chapter folder you need lah. Okay, but as your file get heavier, I might just usually like maybe second half of the year, I'll just ask you to bring your chapter folder. Alright, okay? When it's heavy, I will ask you to bring chapter folder only. Alright, so no need to always bring the file. Okay, too heavy. Alright, of course, other things is like your pen. I need pencil for drawing sometimes. Eraser, your ruler. Alright, of course, calculator as well lah. Although we won't use calculator so soon. Okay, so I have already set up the MS Teams. Okay, this is your one. Alright, okay. So basically, you bring all these things down here. Okay, yellow chemistry file, chapter folder, pencil, pen, eraser, ruler. Okay. So I will ask to bring chapter folder. At later date when your file is heavy. Alright, so just take note. You want to bring a whole file also can, but I'm just trying to make your bag lighter. Alright, okay, so 2024 Alba chemistry. So I'll upload lesson materials in the content, your class notebook. Alright, under content library. Okay, so now some quick lab rules. Okay, so when entering the lab, bags make sure outside or by the side of the labs. Okay, if it's raining. Okay, if not, I'll ask you to put outside. Okay, only writing materials and lessons resources on tables. Okay, no actually no drinking. Okay, if want to drink, you go to the side to drink or outside. Okay, so only writing materials and lesson resources on the table, then sit at your allocated seat according to the seating plan. So in the lab, do not touch any unauthorized chemicals or set up. Do not consume any food or drinks. Ask for permission. You can drink. Usually I'll let you drink outside the lab. Alright, okay, but please don't bring all these soft drinks or these kind of things. Alright. Okay, for water break. Okay, I can give you like a water break to drink outside. Alright, okay, that one is okay. Alright, okay, then follow the big force and follow instructions when you perform experiments. Very important. Okay, so tomorrow I'll double brief again. This one. Okay, so the safety rules: follow teacher's instruction, work quietly and seriously. Please no playing or fooling around. Please don't play catching or this kind of thing, and walk around disturb your friend, make funny faces. Okay, so eating and drinking not allowed. Always wear your safety goggles when you're heating or handling chemicals. Okay, I'll show you where's your safety goggles. Okay, never taste chemicals or other materials. Okay, nothing to taste anyway. Nothing to be taste in chemistry. It's not like your bio food test. Sometimes we bring popcorn, this kind of thing. There's nothing you can taste here. Okay, so beware of the naked flame, and then keep flammable materials away. Then off the gas tap when not using. Okay, alright, next thing is this safety shower at the corner of the lab. Only for emergency. Alright, okay, and then dispose any unused chemicals. Alright, do not take apparatus or chemicals and wash hands thoroughly after all practical so the don't happy take one beaker out dabao you all know okay, so report all accidents, spillage and breakages, and then student will be liable for any damage, but of course usually most of the time if there's a broken glassware I won't make you pay lah. Right, please inform and then sweep up okay, usually no need pay alright, okay, then after this video please help me sign the form alright, the lab safety form, which is this one. Okay, so just put your name, do a signature, sorry okay, subject put as chemistry, then class is you put Alba, date you put today's date 11 of Jan 24, then your signature. Alright, okay, back to my introduction. Okay, so for chemistry lesson okay, usually I will write the schedule on the whiteboard, and then time for lesson to start, and then you can take a break first or go to the toilet, water break, go and fill up your water, go toilet. Okay, clarify questions from previous lesson and then hand in the work that is due. During lesson itself, okay, one speaking voice be it me or your classmates, okay, raise your hand, wait for a turn, but not always I can attend to everyone so this one be patient. Alright, I cannot attend to everyone, Mr. Tan cannot attend to everyone at one shot. Okay, so refrain from using your PEDs and handphones unless specifically instructed, usually unless I want you to do Kahoot, Google Form, MS Teams, these kind of things. Okay, maintain good posture, ask for permission for stretch breaks when you are tired, and then clarify when in doubt. And then when something makes you upset, okay, I want to stress on this okay, when something makes you upset or stressed, please ask for a break, okay, and then speak outside the class because don't affect the rest, okay. It's okay to ask for break, okay to ask for break okay, then you can speak to your YFA or teacher outside, okay, don't affect the class, okay, ask for a break, go outside to a quiet corner, then we speak outside the class alright, at the end of the lesson usually I will assign homework, okay, after a chapter or something, okay, then reflect and revise the concept, okay. So remember chemistry is chem is try, so please keep trying consistency is a key down here, okay, important, okay. And then post questions on Teams, you can PM me or ask in the general chat, okay, both I'm okay and I will answer you, alright, okay. Alright, so tomorrow we'll start with kinetic particle theory so after this, okay, there's two things to do. Number one is the lab safety form, the other one is the short questionnaire, alright, okay, so do that up, then after that you can have your choice time. Alright, thank you.